Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 52nd video in PyQt5 GUI Application Development. So in the previous video we have learned about how you can insert data in MySQL database using PyQt5. So in this video we are going to talk about Qt Designer in PyQt5. So let me just give you some information. If you see some programming language, like for example if we see Java, and we have a library that's called JavaFX for making graphical user interface applications in Java programming language. Now the JavaFX, we can use GUI Designer for designing our main application in JavaFX. So it has a GUI interface that you can push drag and drop buttons, and you can drag and drop combo boxes, and you can interact with your code, with your main code, with your GUI Designer. So if you see, we have a C++ language. In C++ we have Qt5 C++, that's a GUI designer that you can make GUI applications in Qt5. Luckily in Python, especially in PyQt5, so there are different libraries in Python. We have tkinter. For tkinter we don't have any GUI designer, but we have PyQt5. For PyQt5 we have a Qt designer. Luckily you can use Qt Designer, you can design your application, and you can convert your design into Python programming language, and you can run that. If you see another library for Python GUIs, we have WXPython. So for WXPython also we have a GUI designer that's called WXGUI or WXBuilder. We have some more for WXPython. So now for Qt Designer, first you need to install that, because when you install PyQt5 we don't have Qt Designer. So for that you need to install that. For installation you can simply write this command pip install PyQt5-tools and like this. Okay, so now I am waiting for the completion of the installation. So guys, now you can see that the installation is in progress. It's around 47 megabytes. So now I am waiting for the completion of the installation, and I will be back. Okay guys, now the installation has been completed, and now we are going to check that we have Qt Designer. So let me just okay guys, now after installation we are going to check that we have Qt Designer or not. So let me just open my Python, and I'm going to open the lib, and from here I want to open the side package, and from the side package so I want PyQt. Okay, you can see PyQt5-tools, and in here we have a designer. So let me just open this. So now I want to choose a main window, create. Okay, now this is my designer that you can design your application in here. So I can, let me just make it smaller, the window, and you can give it, for example, file, and in here you can give it save, open, and close. And after this, let me give it close. Okay, in here you can give so let me give it value, you can give it copy, paste, like this. Okay, so also you can add, let me add a text edit in here like this, and make it like this. You can add, for example, push buttons, and like this you can add radio buttons. So drag and drop, you can drag and drop. Now after this you need to save this, because we are going to convert this to Python file. Now so there is a certain place that you want to save this. So we want to save this file. You should save this file in your script folder, because we are going to convert this using PyQt5. So let me just save this. You can save, and I want to save this. Let me just open my Python. So you can open your Python and you can open the script folder. We want to save this in here. So let me just call this my window, okay, and click save. Okay, so now I'm going to open my scripts folder, and in here you can see I have my window in here. Yeah, you can see this is a .ui file. Now because of this, because we need this PyQt5, so let me just check this in here. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, because by using this we can convert our my window to the Python file. Okay, so now I'm going to open the terminal, and you can write PyQt5 -x, and you can write your so this is my window.py, and I want to convert this, so you can give it my app.py. okay, so this is the command that we want. My window, oh sorry, this is not .py, this is .ui, so let me write it again, -x and my window.ui, and I want to convert this to my app.py, or you can give it my window.py. Hit enter. Okay, now we don't have any error and it's converted successfully, and you can see that we have my window.py in here. So let me just copy this. You can copy or cut. Let me cut this, and I'm going to paste this in my so let me just close all window, and I want to paste this in the PyChart. So my window.py, and now you can see this is the code that we have created. Now you can run your application from my window, and you will see that we have a window. Now you can see we have this window that we have designed in Qt Designer, and this is the push buttons, and this is our design in Qt Designer. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe.